Good morning.
Let's try that again. Why don't you just you say it again?
Well, good morning.
We're here in Uttaradit. We just spent a night in the most resolutely mediocre hotel of our stay so far. Usually they've been pretty good, or at least made an effort, but this was just, meh. Still.
We had a good night's sleep. It kept the rain off.
Exactly. You can, and
It does look like it might rain today. It's very overcast. It feels humid, which is unusual for the season.
And today we are riding up to Chiang Mai to see my old friend Greg Simmons, who's an amazing audio engineer.
So this will be another, I don't know,
220 kilometres. It's a shorter day than yesterday. Yesterday we rode almost 300 kilometres. So this will be a shorter day.
It's going to be 34 degrees according to the forecast.
Okay, there you go. I didn't know that.
Again, we need to be wise with breaks.
Yes, every hour.
For some reason I'm a bit drowsy, just sleepy, but that might be just because of lack of caffeine.
Yes.
Like lack of proper caffeine.
Yes, we did try our 7-Eleven coffees, but they weren't very good this morning.
Yeah. So we'll start by hunting a coffee place and then get on the road. It's about 8 o'clock now. We plan to leave around 9 as usual.
So I guess we'll see you on the road. Coffee. So here we are in Chiang Mai. It's a nice little hotel run by an American chap named Russell.
It was a meh day for me.
Yeah, it was lots
But it
of.
wasn't exciting.
It was all highway, and you had all these aggressive drivers. The 90% of Thai drivers are amazing. They're thoughtful and considerate, and you get the occasional dickhead, and the dickhead ratio was higher today than usual. But yeah, So we've
We
arrived.
got here, it's a big city. We're gonna get some rest, get a massage hopefully, catch up with friends, and stay 2 days here, I think, just to chill.
So I guess we'll catch up with you in a couple of days when we start the Mahon Son loop.